I know you guys love the wash and go look. You really do. You love those curls to be supple, moisturized. I want to show you what Nicole did. Nicole, aka Neki Cakes, what she has done with her hair, her curls, looking beautiful. My fellow sister from up in Montreal. Yeah, you definitely got to check her out. So we're going to get into this video and I'm going to show you more about what she did and all her steps and techniques and a whole complete hair regimen that you guys can follow too to get the same results that she's getting. And welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I am the CEO founder of Hennasooq, where we specialize in henna hair dyeing and natural Ayurvedic healthy hair care for all hair types, all hair textures, everyone transitioning, chemical, non-coloring. We got you. We have something for you, and you'll also catch some of my videos on henna body art as well. So welcome. So Nicole uses Amla powder in a pre-poo method that I absolutely love because she kills it. Like, her hair just responds so well to this mask treatment that she does as a pre-poo, and it's very moisturizing, promotes hair growth, and her hair is just left looking like bam, it's looking gorgeous. What I also love about this pre-poo treatment is that it's also very strengthening as well. And in Nicole's case, she describes her hair as being low porosity, type 4 hair, and that she struggles with some shedding as well. And if your hair is like Nicole's, you can find in this particular pre-poo treatment something that will work for you as well. So check this out. Let's get right into this video and this pre-poo treatment. Let's go.
Amla is one of my favorite Ayurvedic ingredients. I've been using it probably now for about 4 years or so. I could be wrong. My favorite way to use Amla is as a pre-poo. Now, pre-poo, for those who don't know, is just a term that we call a pre-conditioned treatment prior to shampoo. So for people like me who have very dry hair, especially if it's fine, that gets really dry and tangled after they shampoo, a pre-poo will just help you soften the hair and give it some extra moisture before you cleanse it, so it doesn't get too tangled and too dry. So I'm going in on day 7 here. This is a day 7 wash and go. I just had it in the braid and I took it down, and I'm just going to dampen my hair with my DIY rose water, or you guys can just use regular water, whichever liquid you prefer, just to get your hair damp. And then I'm going to section my hair and apply the Amla mask all over it. Now that I'm all finished, I allow my hair to air dry like this, and then I just tie it up, and I continue on with my wash day tomorrow. So I let this sit in overnight, and tomorrow I will go ahead and shampoo or co-wash. And this is my hair freshly washed. I did shampoo and deep condition my hair and my results. And after this, I'm just going to add a few drops of almond oil to my hair just to seal in all that good moisture. Amla is definitely one of my top favorite Ayurvedic herbs, and I don't think there'll be anything to replace it. It definitely does define my hair a lot. It does soften it, and the growth is definitely real using this Amla.
So what did you guys think of this pre-poo treatment? Do you guys love it? And what is your favorite way to use Amla? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your comments. And don't forget, you gotta hit that subscribe button along with dinging that bell so that way you can get notified of all the videos that I have coming out for you every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Because I know you don't wanna miss a thing, especially with all these new happenings. Remember, we got the redesigning of the whole website, all the packaging, like everything is getting a facelift and you don't wanna miss that. And not only that, but we're going to be opening in Columbia, Maryland. So we're going big. We're going really, really big this year. So you don't want to miss, because I got a lot coming for you in the next few months. So stay tuned.